Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Handmade by Gardina, and we are back again for the elves. We are going to do another collaboration with Cara Brandon Creations and Dear Julie Julie. This is the 5 Days of Fall collaboration, and our hashtag will be 5DOFC for 5 Days of Fall Collaboration 2021. So this is our hashtag. We are going to start on September the 22nd. That's going to be day one. And Cara Brandon has 50% off until September 7th. And Dear Julie Julie has 50% off also. But I don't know for how long. She's not said yet. And Cara's kit is called 5 Days of Fall Journal Pages Collaboration. And she also has 5 Days of Fall Collaboration Kit. Dear Julie Julie has 5 Days of Fall Collab Kit 2021. So what we do here is we take Dear Julie Julie's day one, Cara Brandon's day one, and we combine them both together and we create something with both kits. And that's how we do day one, day 2, 3, 4, and 5, etc. That's how we do it. And Julie's style is things that she personally has in her collection. It's antiques, antique ephemeras, old things that she's collected throughout the years. And then Cara Brandon's, hers is digitally made, that's hard to say, on the computer. And so they're two different unique styles, but when you add them together, it makes a beautiful kit. And there'll be a bunch of different elves. I'll have them linked below in the description box. I'll also have Cara Brandon Creations and Dear Julie Julie's Etsy shop linked below in the description box for you to go check out their kits and for you to get them and to play along with us, starting on September 22nd. So go ahead and get your kits now while they're 50% off. And when you do this collaboration, do the hashtag 5DOFC 2021 so everyone else can see what you've made. You can post it on Facebook, Instagram, your own YouTube channel, whatever social media that you may have. So let's take a look at these kits. So this is Dear Julie Julie's day one. We have this envelope here. We have some butterflies and a flinch card, a stamp, some squirrels here, some leaves, and a mushroom. And I think that's a caterpillar. Dear Julie, Cara Brandon Creations day one. She has a chipmunk here on a pocket, a squirrel, a deer, and 2 tags, and some small ephemera here. So that is Cara Brandon's day one. And then this is Dear Julie Julie's day one. So what you'll do is you'll take these 2 pages together and you make something with both of these and turn it into something. So that's day one. Day 2, Dear Julie Julie has a pumpkin postcard, this pretty sunflower and butterfly with leaves postcard, some leaves here, some butterfly and stamps here, a flinch card with a butterfly and stamp here, a leaf here, and some mushrooms, and some cute little squirrels up here on like a little card. And Cara, on her day 2, has made a collage page with some mushrooms, sunflowers, some ferns, some leaves, mushrooms, the squirrel, and butterflies. So that's day 2. Day 3, Dear Julie Julie has some butterflies, a pumpkin, looks like some sort of time card, I think. A little squirrel here eating a nut, some deers here, some butterflies, and some ephemera here. Cara Brandon has some large tags and some labels, a ticket, a stamp, and some small ephemera here. So that is day 3. Lots of beautiful colors. Very pretty colors. Lots of beautiful animals too. So this would work great in like a woodland forest kit. So day 4, Dear Julie Julie has this furniture receipt with like some lace down through here with an owl. There's some more mushrooms, a stamp, postcard here, and a journaling card here. There's that postcard. There's that little squirrels, 2 little squirrels I think, maybe 3. Not for sure. And then Cara Brandon has made a background page, if I can get a hold of it, of some pumpkins, some orange pumpkins, the white pumpkins, mushrooms, and butterflies. So it's like a background paper. Okay, and day 5 for Dear Julie Julie, we have this beautiful owl, the squirrels with mushrooms. This is some kind of game piece with a pumpkin, some small ephemera butterflies and stamps, pumpkin, cigarette card, a journaling card with some leaves on Dear Julie Julie. And day 5, Cara Brandon has some word labels, some tickets, some labels here. This says photo record, date, location, info, a small tag here. This is a pocket here, another pocket here, and a large tag. So here is Cara Brandon's, this is her fall journal pages collaborations. So this is a background page. It looks like little chipmunks, or it could be some type of squirrel with some grass and some mushrooms. Here is a beautiful spotted deer and a little chipmunk and butterflies, and I love this blue floral background. It is so pretty. I love this page. This is probably one of my favorites, and I love this page too, with the birds and the flowers and the butterflies and the script in the back. And here we have those blue background public schools where it's fall and your children are going back to school again. So it's that time of year again. Here's another backing page with some leaves, different shapes, and some butterflies. Here's another one that has some graph paper and some mushrooms and some flowers and real pretty pattern paper here. Sort of like a pinkish red, sort of. And here we have the leaves with pumpkins. This says pumpkin pie. Oh, it's a recipe of pumpkin pie. And here's the white pumpkins and the orange pumpkins. My daughter always liked the white pumpkins when she was little. Little mushroom there. And little acorns there. And here is our little squirrel holding a nut with some background of leaves. Have a butterfly here and tag here with some journaling on it. So that is our kits that we will be working with. Plus they have hinted around that on their Facebook groups, which I will also put them in the description box below, they will be putting out some freebies. So check along throughout the week for some freebies made by each of them on Cara Brandon's and Friends, and scrap all about it with Dear Julie Julie on their Facebook page and see if they put out any freebies for these kits. And remember to start on September 22nd for day 1 to start with the elves. I'll put a list of the elves in the description box for you, and go check out the other elves. They would appreciate it very much. We always have so much fun when we do these collaborations. The neatest thing is there are approximately between 10 to 15 elves, and almost always, about 99% of the time, we all make something different. So that's how people interpret everything differently with these kits. So, I mean, it's amazing how different minds interpret things. So it gets your creative juices flowing. You learn different techniques. You learn new techniques. I've learned new techniques from watching the other elves. So it's a lot of fun. So I hope you join us on September the 22nd for day 1. Go and get your kits now while they're 50% off. I'll link their Etsy shops in the description box below. And I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. I've got a couple of new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are enjoying yourself. You will really like this collaboration. We always have a lot of fun with it. And join along with this collaboration. And to my current subscribers, most of you all have seen the collaborations that I've done in the past, and we always have a lot of fun with it. And hope you all join me again with this collaboration, and you all join the collaboration and have some fun with this. And thank you all to my current subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of all my subscribers, because like I always say, without you I wouldn't have a channel. And this is not my channel, this is our channel, because we need each other to make a YouTube channel to work. That's how it works. I make the videos, and then I need you to watch them, and we learn and grow together. So we need each other to make things work. So I appreciate each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. So I hope you all have a good day or a good night, wherever you may be. Stay safe, stay healthy. Remember to smile. I know I always say that, but that is my theme for the year. Smile for yourself, smile for others, pass along those smiles, and let's get the whole world to smile for each other. We need that at this time with everything going on. So you all join us on September 22nd, and I will see you with these collaboration pages again on that day. But I'll see you with other videos before that day. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.